Hi, welcome all to SS Creation. Now, let us have a look at the stock market view for Monday. This is only my trading setup and my view. This is not a tips for anyone to trade. Kindly pause the video and read the disclaimer as usual. If you like the content, do hit on like button. Do subscribe if you like these videos. And if you feel these videos are informative, do share it with your friends. In the last week of May month expiry, we were continuously telling Nifty would break 15,500, but not in May month expiry, but it will break on the June month. Exactly same thing has happened in the June first week. Nifty has broken 15,500. I was not able to post any video last week because I had some power related issues at my home. All the issues have been separated and hopefully we will be able to continuously put the video for this week. Okay, now how is Nifty going to perform next week? According to me, Nifty would be between the range of 15,500 to 16,000. And what is the global Q that is suggesting? If you see SGX Nifty, it is trading approximately 100 points higher. So on Monday, we could see 100 points higher opening. If it opens 100 points higher, there could be a possibility that it will get sold into and market will be range bound on Monday. But if market opens flat and all the SGX Nifty which is 100 points higher right now gets saturated before the pre-market opening, then this could be the view for the Nifty for Monday. Nifty can be bullish above 15,719 and it can move up to 15,742, 15,773 and maximum 15,868. Nifty can turn bearish if it breaks 15,687 and it can reach to 15,064, 15,632 and max it can fall till 15,539. Bank Nifty is altogether in a different state because of HDFC Bank. There is lot of restrictions to HDFC Bank by RBI, because of which Bank Nifty is not able to make all-time highs. As we know, HDFC is the major percentage holder in the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty can actually be bullish only if it breaks 35,656. But for Monday, we can take a view like Bank Nifty will be bullish above 35,533 for intraday level alone. Could be bullish above 35,533 and can reach 35,561, 35,608. Only when it breaks the magic figure of 35,656, it can be bullish and it can reach to the level of 35,750. If it is not breaking that level, try to book profits when and where possible according to your risk taking capacity. Bank Nifty can be bearish below 35,485 and it can reach 35,450, 408 and it can go till 35,279 to 35,200. Now we will have a look at the stocks. Here we have selected some 3 stocks like Torrent Power, Century Ply and JK Lakshmi Cement. Torrent Power can be bullish above 435.8 and it can reach to the level of 440.8 to 446. But it can turn bearish if it breaks 430.5 and it can reach to the level of 425.5 to 420.5. Below 432 itself, we will have an opportunity to sell, but it is only for the people who can take more risk. If it breaks 424, we can expect a fall and it can even reach to the level of 410 to 400. Now we will have a look at Century Ply. Century Ply, if it goes above 410, can reach the level of 415 and 420. If it goes below 405, it can reach to the level of 400 and 395. 408 and above is a possibility of a buy for risk takers, but 410 above will be the better price to buy. If we have a look at JK Lakshmi Cement, 546.5 is a good level to buy and it can reach to the level of 551.9 and 558. If it breaks 540.5, there is a possibility it can reach 535 and 529. Again, JK Lakshmi Cement can be bullish above 442 itself, but for safe side, we will only enter if it goes above 446. If you have still not subscribed to the channel, please hit on the subscribe button. If you like these contents, hit on like button as well. If you find these contents very useful, and do share our channel to your friends and family so everyone will be benefited. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.